Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you advanced tip use linear pattern feature like this. If you want to copy this slot and you do like this, go to linear pattern, click this edge, and for feature and face parameter, click this slot and click OK. See? The slot not follow the curve. Just do like this if you want the slot to follow the curve. Go to linear pattern feature. In direction, select this. Just choose this dimension. And after that, check vary sketch. And click OK. See? The slot follows the curve. Now you know advanced tip use linear pattern feature. That is quick tips. See ya.